Union River County Schools. One of the little guys, but we still count. So, but thank you all for coming. Appreciate you being here and supporting FSPMA. Your presenter today is David Thompson. He's the director of the Academy of Excellence of Cleaning Excellence and the creator of Rockstar Custodian series of motivational sessions. Mr. Thompson is the host of Beyond Clean with Ace. I should put my glasses on. A podcast focusing on healthy, positive, and proactive conversations in the cleaning industry. David is also the author of The New Generation of Cleaning and past president of the Green Clean Institute. His mantra is, I'm a janitor and I save lives. I have taken Mr. Thompson's classes a few years ago, and you are in for a treat. So please enjoy Mr. Thompson's class. The first class is an hour, Rockstar. 15 minutes going to start. Wow. So I hope you enjoy and you stay here for the rest of the presentations. All right. Thank you.
Good morning! Hey, everybody's on the podcast this morning. Turn around and say hi. Hi, everybody. Okay, I can see some smiling faces. Yeah, I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got that one recorded. All right, yeah, Yeah, see, everybody gets on camera today, right? You didn't know that was the way we were going to start this morning, did you? No. Well, if you watched me the last 2 days, you should have known that.
So he wrote this paper called Getting to Wow, which helps you, the entrepreneur, distill down the essence of what you do into a single statement that when you say it, people respond with, wow, how do you do that? Or, wow, that's interesting, I'd like to know more.